Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can send WhatsApp message to yourself. You will learn how you can send message to your own contact. So let's start the video. First you have to open WhatsApp application, then go to the search bar and here search YOU and your number appear. Your own WhatsApp account number appears here. Tap on the number and in this chat you can send anything, any message, video, stickers to your own self. It is very useful because if there is any important message in another chat, then you can send that important message to your chat and later on you can find it easily. So by following all this method, you can easily send WhatsApp message to your own self. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain and I will see you in the next one.